October 30, 2025. Huatai Group once again demonstrates the speed of made in China. Two edible oil production lines with a daily output of up to 500 tons were successfully delivered to Russia 15 days ahead of schedule. The equipment shipped this time is of milestone significance. It includes the region's first set of rapeseed and sunflower seed oil production lines adopting the latest technology, as well as an integrated oil production line capable of processing rapeseed and flaxseed. More than 60 semi-trailers are expected to be deployed for this project, starting from Huatai's factory, passing through the Kurgos port in Xinjiang, traveling 5,000 kilometers by land to reach the Russian port. Each vehicle carries 30 tons of grain and oil equipment. This is not just a cargo transportation, but also a perfect embodiment of Huatai's speed and the spirit of fulfilling commitment. The footprints of Huatai's intelligent equipment have spread across 68 countries and regions around the world, relying on Huatai's convenient overseas warehouse and office network. We provide you with a gold level after-sales service with 24/7 timely response. When purchasing high-end grain and oil equipment, Huatai Group is your reliable and serious choice.